Hi everyone, today we are going to see some of the features of Dynadot, which is my favorite domain registrar. It's very cheap and very reliable. So the first thing, go under this video, we have a link on the description section. Just click on that link and then you'll be directed to this page, which is Dynadot. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I'll go under the dashboard of my domain manager. So this is how Dynadot domain managers looks like. So you have the domain, you can manage your domains here, you can change name servers, you can change contact records, you can add a new domain, you can transfer a domain, you can add a DNS record, and then we also have free SSL certificate. You can do email forwarding, and so forth and so forth. So the first feature we want to do is look into is domain search. So on the top bar we have domains. Just click on domains. So you can click on domain search. Just click on domain search. Let me open it in a new tab. I have domain search. So here we have a domain search. Maybe you want to search for a domain name, and you can see beneath we have featured domains. The domain name that you are seeing here, these are expired domain names that you can purchase. These are websites that have forgotten to renew their domain names, so you can just purchase one of them. I previously made a video on how to purchase expired domain names on Dynadot, so you can check the video on the description below. Currently you see we have offers for XYZ. It's currently going for $1.9. Even though I'm not a fan of this, I'm a fan of .com domain. Let's find a domain name maybe on the tech niche. So we just type in technology, maybe if you're interested in technology. As you can see, it's searching, and most of these domain names are already taken. So we want to search for another domain name. Let's try something else. We also have AI search. Okay, AI search. We have advanced search, and I also have a suggestion tool. So let's see AI search. What will AI search will give us? With AI search, we want to, let's maybe kitchen, a domain name on kitchen. Let's see what we have. And also have filters here. You can filter by either .com. Okay, so these are the available ones. Okay, if you add a filter, search filters, we wanted .com alone. That's what we wanted alone, and then we just apply filters. So these are all the domain names relating to kitchen. So we have foodprepzone.com. Okay, costing $12. We have pantrypatch.com. Those are interesting food domain names or kitchen domain names. You can also do another search for technology. Let's see what technology gives us. We also want to make this same filters, wanted.com in this case. As you can see now, we have two available ones with a .com. We have technostrive.com, costing $12, which $13, and renews at $12.99. However, if you use my link, there's always a bonus. You end up actually signing up. You'll end up buying a domain name for $10 rather than. Another feature of Dynadot is the ease to manage your domain names. Under my domains, we have manage domains, so you can see all the available domain name you have. And then if you want to do anything on the domain name, just click on that domain name. We have action. What action do you want to do? In my case, maybe it's managing the DNS records. I click on the DNS records. Currently it's under Dynadot pack because I'm not using the domain name, so I'll just I'll change this one to Dynadot DNS, and then you can see here you can change the IP address. You can enter records, A record, C records, and so forth. We want to see the different pricing of the domain, so click on domains on the top bar, which is the menu. We want to go to TLD prices, and then want to see the price of different domain extensions. And so these are the different prices of our domain name. So we have the registration cost, the renewal cost, and the transfer cost. You see there are no surprises, bigger jump between the prices. You just register for $12, renew $12, you can transfer for $12. Okay, the same price. And then we have bonus. Okay, we have currently offers for XYZ .organization.co.ai, but I always prefer a top level domain name extension, which is .com. It's my favorite. All Dynadot domain names, they come with free domain privacy. So I will enter my domain name there, and let me search for this domain name and see the records that we have. Okay, currently, so the registration information should be listed here. Let's see. Okay, they're saying the server is busy right now, we can try later. So the registration information that you would have seen here will be, instead of having my name, because I registered the domain name under my name, they will not put my name and my domain, my name and my email address here, or my mobile phone. That information will not be available to the public. Rather, what you will see Dynadot's information, their company email address, their company details, instead of your own details. So that is what we call domain privacy. So that's another key feature of Dynadot. When you click on your domain name, we have actions. You can either lock your domain name, you can unlock it. Okay, we have another option here. We have option of you can change the private settings. What that means is that you can update your information, such as your contact name, your email address, and so forth. And then another interesting thing, under DNS record, just click on the DNS record. Apart from the DNS records, we can also change the name servers. We can do what you call domain forwarding. This is a case where maybe you purchase a domain name because it has a lot of backlinks to it, but you want to transfer that juice to an existing website. So you can do a 301 redirection of this domain name by just clicking on Dynadot forwarding, and then here you forward it to whatever page website you wanted. Maybe in my case, I wanted to forward this one to my existing website, which is joshwp.com. okay, I can forward this, and then I can either redirect it to with a 301 redirection, which is a permanent move, or a 302, which is a temporal move. You can do this maybe when you want to purchase different domain extensions for your website. Maybe you have a website like mine, joshwp, and you also want to register joshwp.org, organization.joshwp.net, and then you wanted your domain name, the main domain name, to be joshwp.com. So you can forward the rest of the domain with a 301 or a 302 redirection to point to your main domain name. That's how it works. So after doing that, you just click on forward domain name. As simple as that. Apart from forwarding your domain name, you can also forward your emails. I never showed you that one. There is also, under this one of emails, you can actually forward the email. You can create a free email for your domain name, and then you can also forward the email. So that's another free feature that comes with Dynadot. So that's it. Those are some of the many features of Dynadot, and on top of that, they have a top-notch support. In case you have an issue, just click on the online chat and you submit your request if you had any request to make, or you can just go to the support and write them an email.